Hello again. Next up in my movie monster series is the great ape from Skull Island, King Kong. And I'm going to start off with pointed head. Gorillas do tend to have slightly pointed heads, so that's a kind of mound shape coming right down the back of his neck there. And then we have ridges. There's another ridge coming in there and sloping down this way. And then the great ridge of his eyebrows, which come in about here. And of course, underneath these lowering eyebrows, I'll just put them in very roughly like that just now, are the little nasty beady eyes, as you say, coming in, the one in there and one down about here. Okay, and then this area here is the great kind of flattened nose shape. So you get the nose right across like that, stretching down to about there, and then the nostril shapes come in kind of, like that, which I'll shade in black later. But there's the kind of nose shape coming in, right, like that, okay? And then going down from there, you'll get the line of his skin kind of stretched out as he opens his mouth to roar. That pulls in towards the eyes there, and then the mouth opens like this, very wide, and top part of his mouth comes on a curve, great big curve like that, and it starts to go down. Take a line down from there, and it opens wide way down to there like that. Okay, and from the bottom here, you'll get the great jagged teeth sticking out. Go a line like that, 1, 2, 3, 4 there, with another one, big eye tooth sticking out, then the bottom lip coming around underneath, and then a little chin again going up, forming these kind of lines coming down from the eye shapes, and around that part of the deep set you'll get a kind of shape round there, same as you do around here. Okay, and on the top we'll see the gums, because when gorillas roar they pull back the lip from the gums, so you get the gum shape and the great kind of teeth, squarish teeth at the front. One in there, that's like that, and then the big fang coming in there, another couple of smaller teeth like that, another fang appearing, sticking out there, and then the back of the mouth and down like that, and the underside of the teeth coming in through the back of his mouth, you'll just see coming in something like that, and then the great tongue appearing there. Okay, so there roughly is our shape. Another line coming down here for a go, and the ear would appear about there. So there we have the pencil sketch of King Kong. So let's start to ink in now. Alright, we'll start inking in the eyes, the little beady eyes. So a line here, then like a line underneath there, and a little black pupil there. Okay, another one comes in about here, and half of that is covered by the shape of the nose, which comes up in a line like that, and bump there, and another line sloping away, coming back in there, and then the kind of nostril shape, and does things like this right across. I'll shade that in black later on, and then down to there, and the eyebrows, a great furrowed eyebrows, so you get that kind of thing sloping away, and use his line to suggest that the fur around his eyes, the deep set eyes coming in like that, and that will come in but there, and these lines, and his face is all pulled and contorted as he's roaring, so you get these lines kind of accentuating that down like that, and then one down the side of his mouth like that, which again I will shade in black later on to accentuate that line, and then the other couple of lines, furrowed brow kind of shapes like that coming in, and his eyebrow shape going up and then curving round into the eye, and the hair kind of sticking up. And break it up with your pen like that into there, okay? And some more kind of broken up lines coming down the side of his mouth there. All right, and then his actual mouth, wide open, and down, wide open to there, and right down to there, a double line up coming down to go underneath his lip there, like that. Okay, and then we can put in the fangs. Yeah, kind of a little few ridges on the fangs to show they've been used. You know, a few notches on them. And the gum shape comes in there, the ragged tooth, flat-ish along the bottom, like that. And then the actual fang itself coming in with a few lines around there. Okay, and then another one coming in there, and another one there. And then of course the teeth coming in here. They come right out of the line there, kind of into his mouth, and then that part of his mouth there, and then the tongue. Okay, coming down there, and that big fang sticking up, and then the teeth at the bottom, you'll see the tops of them, so you get that kind of shape there. And then this fang coming up there, and then this other tooth coming in there, like that. Alright. And his hairy chin underneath. Maybe another couple of lines down there to accentuate that. These broken lines to suggest the hair coming in there. A couple more there like that. And then let's go back up here again. And the hair at the top of his eyebrows, accentuating that line. Okay, and then these ridges. One coming down in front of his ear there. That's kind of ridge of fur. You do kind of those kind of jagged shapes if you like as well. Okay, and the ear, again, kind of broken line, you know, it's been bitten a few times in his battles, you know, so make it a wee bit wrinkly, like that, and then the inside coming in like that. And the back of his head, the top of his head first, again, hair kind of jagged sticking up as they come around the top, and then sweeping down away slightly. And his shoulder, he would come in a bit here, I think. He's leaning forward, so you get that kind of thing. And the other shoulder would be fairly high, probably about there, I think, yeah, even higher, maybe about there. Okay. Right. Another line in there. Excellent. Right. I'm just going to have a look at this now to see if I need any more details, and then what I'll do is put in the darker shading. Alright, I'm now going to shade in the bits of deepest shadow, starting off with under his eyebrows here. Put a bit more detail in these bits, and then what I'll do is shade in the eyes under the eyebrows here. And that black. It's quite dramatic. Just the eyes kind of showing out there. Like that, see that? Another one coming in a bit there. You see the eyes in that dark kind of cave shape in there, you know, peering out. And join it up to there. And then the nostril shapes. to there, okay? And this ear will be very dark, coming in with that, and this bit as well. Okay, and down this deep kind of groove down the side of the face there, like that, okay? Get that underneath. And also a deep shadow, I've marked it in there. I think I'll put them on his tongue there. Okay, maybe just a wee line there to get a bit of highlight at the back just to show the shape of the tongue. Then I'll shade in all these bits in here. Up on this fang here, and then down this line that I've drawn here. This is all dark in here too. Right down to there, under the tongue. Okay, there's on the teeth there at that point. And another very dark bit coming down this side there, starting from about there, okay? Then maybe other bits I need dark in. So I'm going to just have a quick look at that, and then we can see what we can do to improve it, okay? Okay, I've had a look at this, and I think what I'll do is a bit more dark under there. And also I think I'll just shade this in here, because I think it'll make it a little more dramatic. I'm going to bring these lines from the roof of his mouth down to there. Like that. Okay, and also got these lines down there too. And also down that side of his face. It should be darker, and there's a little bit of a lip shape coming around here. Like that. Which I'm going to put in. And then a wee bit of shading on the actual gums themselves. Just a wee touch. Get that shading in a couple of lines on his teeth, because remember they're pretty battle scarred. And then a couple of lines coming down here. Alright. And then perhaps more coming down there to add a bit of shading to the side of his face. Okay. And a bit more coming out here. And then some here to suggest again the shading of the fur. Excellent. There we are. King Kong from Skull Island. Excellent. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you can join me again when I'll be drawing some more monsters from the movies. Okay, great stuff. So see you again, and in the meantime, of course, all the best and happy drawing.